Hello everyone, I'm taking you through revision for mathematics on knec past papers. The topic is complex number. So about complex number, there was a question brought in 2022 November. So the topic is complex number. The question was brought 2022 November. So given that given the complex number, z is equal to negative 30 plus j5, z2 is equal to negative 3 plus jp, then z3 is equal q plus j3. So where p and q are real numbers, determine correct to 2 decimal place the value of p and q if z2, z3 is equal to z1. So this was the question, November 2022. Given the complex number z1, z2, z1 is equal to negative 30 plus j5, z2 is equal to negative 3 plus jp, and z3 is equal to q plus j3, where p and q are real numbers. We know that complex number we have real numbers and imaginary numbers. So determine to correct 2 decimal place the value of q and p if z1, if z2 and z3 is equal to z1. So we know the value of z1, z2 and z3. So z1, z2, z3 is equal z1. So what combined z2 and z3 is multiplication. So we will multiply z2 and z3 to give us z1. So we will substitute. We have the value of z2, which is negative 3 plus jp. Then z3, we have q plus j3 is equal. We know the value of z1, which is negative 30 plus j5. So I will expand, I will multiply z1 and z2 and z3. So I have negative 3 into q plus j3, then plus jp into q plus j3 is equal to negative 30 plus j5. So if I open bracket, so I will have negative 3q minus j9 plus jp q, then plus j square 3p is equal negative 30 plus j5. Again, where we have j square is equal to negative 1. So where we have j square, we substitute with the negative 1. So I will have negative 3q minus j9 plus jpq minus 3p minus 3p is equal to negative 30 plus j5. The question was to determine the value of p and q. So here again, I will collect the last time the one with j, I will equate together. Then I will also equate the one with the constant. So let's start with the one with j. So I will have j plus q, jpq minus j9 is equal to j5. If you look at this, you will find that j is common. So I will eliminate j and j. So I will have pq minus 9 is equal to 5. So my p and pq is equal to 5 plus 9. So PQ is equal to 5 plus 9. So my PQ is equal to 14. So this is equation 1. I have dealt with the one with j. So again I will take the one with the constant. So I have negative 3q minus 3p is equal negative 30. So I divide everything by negative 3, negative 3, negative 3. I will have q plus p is equal 10. This is equation 2. I have equation 2, I have equation 1 and equation 2. So I want to make q the subject, so I will have q is equal to 10 minus p. So in equation 1, where I have q, I will substitute 10 minus p. So I have q is equal to 14. So this one I will put p into q, which is 10 minus p is equal to 14. So I open bracket, I will have 10p minus p squared is equal to 14. I will take everything the other side. So I will have 0 is equal to p squared minus 10p plus 14. If you look at this, I have quadratic equation. I need to solve the value of p. So this one I will use quadratic formula, which says x is equal minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So my x is p is equal b, that is negative 10 plus or minus the root of negative 10 square minus minus a, which is 1, then times 14 all over 2. So from this I will have p is equal negative 10 plus or minus the root of 100 minus, so I have negative 10 plus or minus 10 square 100 minus 56 all over 2. So I will have p is equal negative 10 plus or minus the root of 100 minus 56, the root of 44 all over 2. So I will have p is equal negative 10 plus or minus root of 44, 6.63 all over 2. So here I will have two values for p. So I will have p is equal negative 10 plus 6.63 all over 2, or p is equal negative 10 minus 6.63 all over 2. So my first value of p is equal negative 10 plus 6.63 divided by 2. I will have negative 1.685, then or negative 10 minus 6.63 divided by 2. I will have negative 8.315. So the equation was to determine the value of p correct to decimal place. So I will have p is equal negative 1.69, or p is equal negative 8.32. So if I have the value of p, I can get the value of q. So I will come back here where I have q is equal 10 minus p. So q is equal 10 minus, in brackets, negative 1.69. So I will have q is equal 10 plus negative times negative positive, so plus 1.69. So my q is equal 11.69, or another value for q is equal 10 minus p. So q is equal 10 minus, in bracket, minus 8.32. So my q is equal 18.32. So I have the value of p and q. The question was to determine the value of q and p and q. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.